So over here you can see that I have a contact sheet, and let me just go ahead and drag in some images around over here. So let's just go around and drag this in, drag this in, drag this in, and so forth right here. So now what I'm going to do is, let's say for example, let me just go around and change around the rows and columns right here just like this, and then just arrange this out. So once I go ahead and do that, then now let's say for example what I want to do is I want to work around with the PDF properties right here. So now with the PDF properties, you can see that you can actually set up a security password right here to access this particular PDF file once it's exported. So let me just go around over here, and let's say the security password for this will be tutortube right here. So I'm just going to type in tutortube, and then permission password right here will be tutortube1 right here. You can also go ahead and disable out printing for this particular PDF. And for the playback, you can open this in full screen mode if you want to, and then automatically advance to the next page as well. You also have transition settings right here. This is for PDF presentation that we're going to talk about in the next video. So now as I set the PDF properties password right here, I'm simply going to go around onto export to PDF, let's say for example, and then over here on my desktop, let me just go ahead and export this out as protected PDF right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, it generates out the PDF contact sheet right there. So now once you go ahead and do that, what you can do is over here on my desktop, you can see that I have this PDF document. Let me just go ahead and open it up with Adobe Acrobat itself. And here, this is what you have, as you can see. So now I'm just going to go around and open up with the protection mode disabled, let's say for example. And as I do that, you can actually see that it asks me for the password right here, just like this. So I need to go around and type in, let's say I'm typing in wrong password and it says the password is incorrect. Let me just go around and type in the correct password, and then it opens up the password, as you can opens up the image right here, as you can see right here. If I were to go around onto edit, now it actually asks me for the editing password. So let's just go around and then add that in. And now let me just go around and type it in again. And now you can see that as I got it correct, it allows me to edit out the PDF. And that is how you can go ahead and set PDF properties while exporting out the contact sheet from Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.